The Calayan Islands are a group in northern Philippines, part of Cagayan Province in the Cagayan Valley region. They belong to the Babuyan Group of Islands, located in the Luzon Strait, just north of mainland Luzon. Calayan Island is the largest and most populous, housing the municipality seat. Notable neighbours include Babuyan Claro, Dalupiri, Fuga, and Camiguin Norte. The islands feature rolling hills, lush vegetation, and beautiful coastlines, under a tropical climate influenced by typhoons. Calayan municipality has a small population, mainly indigenous Ibanag, Itawes, and Ilocano people. Local livelihoods include fishing, farming, and small-scale tourism with root crops, rice, and nuts as key products. Attractions include Sibang Cove, Nagudungan Hill for stunning views, Malangsi Spring, and rich biodiversity. The residents celebrate fiestas that blend Christian and indigenous customs, showcasing traditional music, dances, and food. Getting to Calayan Islands requires careful planning, as transportation is limited, typically via ferry from Apari or Claveria, Cagayan. Perfect for off-the-beaten-path destinations, the Calayan Islands offer natural beauty and a peaceful atmosphere.